How to fix system file error onto your Windows. Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to learn how you can fix that photos error or system file error that is happening on your Windows desktop or your personal computer. So let's go on with the process on how we can solve that issue. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you're having that issue of your system file error while you're opening up any of the files, these are the process you may follow in order to solve your issue. So number one thing is you may just run a command, head over Windows plus I, or simply go to the run, type in run on the services and type in services.msc. After that is done, this will open up, the services settings will open up. On the side of the screen, you're gonna locate the option called, just scroll down until you're able to find Windows section, where you'll be finding Windows Management Services. Just look at that option here. That settings here, you can find this one right here, and after you have found that, just right click on Windows Managed Services and look up for properties here. Just click on properties and you'll be finding this on your screen. So here you can see this startup type here, manual. You're just gonna click on it and you can find different options. Switch it up to manual. After that is done, simply apply and OK, and that should probably fix your issue of your system file error. So that's how you basically fix your error of a system file on your Windows. So follow the steps in order to fix it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.